How to change navigation bar in Android device. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Settings application. Once you do, simply scroll down to go to Notification option. You will see the option of Notification and Status bar. Simply click on it. Now after that, so as to change the navigation bar, you can simply start making changes in this setting. Go to status bar and make sure you toggle off the feature of any one of the feature which you don't like in your status bar. After that, you can simply go to more setting. In this section, you will find extra setting related to your status bar. Then after go to app icon badges. You can simply click on any one of the application's icon badge and change it according to your desire. Go to banner. Make sure you turn off the feature of banner notification for all the application for which you do not require that kind of message. And then you're good to go. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.